Hello and welcome to the NAKIVO Backup and Replication tutorial video series on the site recovery functionality. By watching these videos, you can learn how to set up, test, and run site recovery workflows. In the previous video, we covered different failover types and learned how to run a site recovery workflow. In this video, we are going to take a closer look at the failback process. We will cover the preparation as well as running of failback using the site recovery functionality. Before moving on to the creation of a failback workflow, you need to define your failback location. If you have set up a new office and new servers after a disaster, then you may choose to transfer workloads to the new location. Alternatively, you can choose the original location as your failback destination. Once the location has been selected, you'll need to decide if you need to perform reverse replication. If the production site has been down for a short time and few changes have been made since, then reverse replication may not be necessary. However, if the production site was unavailable for an extended period of time, then you should consider performing reverse replication before failback in order to allow for complete data sync between the VMs. Performing reverse VM replication is the same as performing regular replication. Simply create a VM replication job and put your VM replicas at the failover site as the replication source. Refer to video 2 of the series for a full replication job walkthrough. Now let's proceed to creating a site recovery workflow with the failback action. Click Create and choose Site Recovery Job. Then select Failback VMs as your action. Select the source VMs and set the failback location. In the Options tab, make sure that Power Off Replica VMs is checked in order to allow for a seamless transfer. Click Save when you are finished. Once this is complete, you can move on to configuring network mapping and re-IP rules. Set up scheduling options if necessary, and give a name to your workflow at the Final Options tab. Your site recovery workflow can be started at any time by selecting Run from the main user interface. This concludes our video series on how to set up, test, and run site recovery workflows. If you have any further questions on the site recovery functionality, feel free to contact us at any time. Be sure to download the full-featured free trial and test the solution in your own environment.